How do you take a $20 product and make it feel like a $200 luxury brand asset? Most creators think it's about the product itself, better camera, better design, better editing. But they're wrong. Because in reality, it's not the product that sells. It's the vibe around the product. And that vibe is what separates scroll past content from stop everything and look visuals. In 2026, every brand that's scaling fast isn't just editing images manually anymore. They're using AI to manufacture premium visuals at production speed. No expensive studio setups, no professional designers, no hours of Photoshop work. Just a few click and high-quality results will be ready for you. And today, I'm breaking down the exact tool and the exact workflow that's turning ordinary product photos into scroll-stopping, conversion-crushing visuals. So you just need to pay very close attention, and now without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ProSecret. The tool I am talking about is Fotor. Fotor is an AI-powered commerce platform that takes a raw idea, literally any product image, and scales it into professional-grade marketing assets. Well, today I'm walking you through the 6 main features of Fotor, and by the end, you'll understand exactly why vibe marketing is the foundation of modern e-commerce. Okay, first, click the link in the description and log into Fotor. When you see on the left panel, you will get to see the product visuals. When you enter in it, you can see the 4 features. Let me give you a review of first feature. It's Smart AI Listing. This is where it all starts. You have one product photo. Maybe it's decent, maybe it's flat. Smart AI Listing automatically transforms it into multiple studio-quality listing images without you touching anything. Once you are in, click Upload Image and upload your product image. You can set the aspect ratio from here, and then click on Next. While it's processing, here's what's happening behind the scenes. Fotor's AI is learning your product's aesthetic, the dominant colors, the texture, the positioning. Then it's generating multiple variations of that product in professional studio settings. Different angles, different lighting, different backdrops, all automatically. And there it is. One basic photo just became 6 premium-grade e-commerce listing images. Each one looks like it came from a professional shoot. This is the foundation of vibe marketing. You are not just showing a product. You are presenting it in a system that says, this is professional. This is premium. This is worth your money. Now the second feature is Virtual Model. Here's where vibe marketing gets expensive for traditional brands, but free for you. Virtual Model uses AI to generate photorealistic models wearing or using your product. Any pose, any outfit, any scene. Go back to Product Visual page and this time select Virtual Model from the Commerce suite. And then click on Custom. Upload your product image. Same photo you used for Smart AI Listing is fine. Now you'll see the model selection dashboard. Fotor gives you multiple options. Different ethnicities, ages, body types, styles. This is important for vibe marketing because you want your model selection to match your target customer. Are you selling luxury streetwear? Pick the model that embodies that aesthetic. Let's say we are targeting young professionals. I'm going to click on this model here and select Confirm Model. Then from here you can set the pose of the model. Add after you have a control of the background. Just select the one you like the most. And you can also enter the prompt of how you want your model to look. Then set the aspect ratio and finally click on Generate. The AI is now creating a photorealistic image of the selected model wearing your product in that luxury lifestyle context. What's happening here is amazing. The AI has learned your product's dimensions, colors, and fit. It's now generating how that product would look on a real person in a real environment with professional lighting and styling. And there it is. Your product on a photorealistic model in a premium context. This is conversion power. Customers see themselves wearing this. They see the quality. They see the lifestyle attached to it. You can generate as many variations as you want. Click Download to save each image. This is why vibe marketing works. You are not selling a product anymore. You are selling the lifestyle that comes with it. Virtual Model makes that possible at zero cost. Now the third feature I'm going to show you is Product Image Editor. You've got your Smart AI Listing images. You've got your Virtual Model shots. But now you need precision. You need to polish. You need to make sure every single image meets your premium brand standard. That's where Product Image Editor comes in. Upload any product image. Could be from Smart AI Listing. Could be from your own camera. Doesn't matter. Once it loads, you are in the editor. On the left side you'll see your editing toolbar. Let's walk through the core adjustments that define vibe marketing. First, color correction. Click on the This Edit Photo option here. You'll see sliders for saturation, brightness, contrast, and vibrance. For premium vibe, you want rich saturation without looking oversaturated. Now let me adjust the contrast. Drag it to about 15 to 20. This creates dimension. It makes the product feel three-dimensional instead of flat. Next step, shadow. Click the shadow tab. You'll see different options of shadow intensity and highlight intensity. For product photography, you want defined shadows to create dimension. This is professional level editing. You are creating visual hierarchy. The product looks sculpted, intentional, premium. You also have some more options here for converting your simple product image to a premium level product photo. See the difference? That's vibe. Same product, feels premium. Every single image you edit through Product Image Editor is now studio quality. Okay, the fourth feature I wanna show you is Batch Editor. Now here's where vibe marketing becomes scalable. Imagine you have 100 product images. You want them all color corrected the same way. You want them all to feel like they're part of the same brand ecosystem. Doing that one image at a time? Impossible. That's why Batch Editor exists. Once you entered Batch Editor, click Upload Images and select multiple photos. You can do 10, 20, 50, doesn't matter. For this demo, let's upload 9 product images. Once they're uploaded, you'll see all 9 displayed as thumbnails. Now comes the magic. Any adjustment you make to the first image will automatically apply to all of them. Without Batch Editor, this would take 5 to 6 hours of manual editing. With Batch Editor, 8 minutes. This is why professional brands use it. Okay, now I want to show you 2 more features of Fotor. First, come to Home page, and in the left panel under the product visual you will see Growth Visuals. Click on it and you will enter in here. Once you are in here, you will see 4 more features. Well, I am gonna show you these 2 features. First, enter in this UGC Avatar. Creating authentic UGC at scale usually means hiring creators. UGC Avatar solves this. It generates photorealistic digital personas that create authentic-looking content without the overhead. First, you'll select or create your avatar. Click on Custom, and then click on this option to select the avatar. You'll see preset avatars with different ethnicities, ages, styles, and personalities. Choose one that matches your brand voice. I'm going to select this avatar, young professional, relatable energy, trustworthy vibe. Next step, upload your product image or select a product from your photo library. Once your product is uploaded, you can paste your motion prompt in here and then set the aspect ratio, quality and the UGC duration. And finally click Generate UGC. And there's your UGC content. Ready to post on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, wherever. This is what customers trust. You can generate unlimited variations, different avatars, different scripts, different products. Build an entire UGC content calendar without ever filming a single second. Once you are happy, click Download. Now the last feature I wanna show you is Link to Video Ad. Click on it and you will have this option to paste the product URL. This part is for people who directly wanna link the uploaded products on different e-commerce stores. Paste the link here and click on Continue. After that, this AI will add the product details automatically. And click on Continue. And then you will have the templates you can use, like unboxing, review or more. Let's select unboxing and click on Generate. And here is your completed product ad. This is how your full product ad is ready, and now you can simply download it and use it on your social media platform. Now let me talk about vibe marketing. It's not a new concept, but it's become the dominant marketing strategy in 2026. Here's why. Vibe marketing in Fotor is the use of AI tools to create a consistent and emotionally engaging brand style across all visuals and ads. Instead of random designs, you build a unified look where every image and video feels part of the same brand identity. With features like AI image generation and link to video, Fotor helps turn products into polished, on-brand content that looks consistent, professional, and instantly recognizable, making marketing more impactful and conversion-focused. If you want to start building your vibe marketing empire, Fotor is giving you exclusive early access to these features. Click the link in the comments or description, enter my exclusive invite code ProSecret, and you'll be taken to a redemption page where you can instantly unlock 50 bonus points. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.